Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to search within a specific column in Excel. We will look at two different ways to do this. Here I have written the number 5 in different cells. Method 1, using Find First, press Ctrl F to open the Find dialog box. Type 5 and click Find All. You can see it shows 10 results because Excel searches the entire worksheet. Now close the dialog box. Next, select column A. Go to the Home tab, click Find and Select, and choose Find. Again, type 5 and click Find All. Now it shows 4 results because Excel is only searching within column A, which contains 4 cells with the value 5. For method 2, using conditional formatting, the second method does not search but highlights the cells with the value. First, select column A. Go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules equal to. Type 5 and click OK. Now Excel will highlight all cells in column A that contain the number 5. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.